guys, welcome back to Cleaning Therapy. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're here in Tennessee and we're gonna do a little home tour of my boyfriend's house here in Tennessee. So just something different for you guys. We're gonna take a little tour around the inside of the house and then I'll show you the backyard and some of his gardening projects, and we'll just have a little relaxed, laid back home tour. So I really hope you enjoy this and thank you so much for being here. If you're new here to the channel today, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. My name is Jenny and my boyfriend Chad and I are both widows. Our spouses actually died 3 days apart, and so we met on a grief support site. So I'm over at his house helping with some gardening projects. We've got lots of plants that we're moving around to different places. We're doing some weeding out here, and then we're also planting 8 new rose bushes. We've had lots of projects to do at both of our houses since our spouses have passed away. It is very hard to be motivated to do a lot of these projects when you're grieving, and sometimes it's just easier to have a friend come help out, and it's just easier to get it done together. So he's been helping me with projects at my house, and then we're getting some things done at his house as well. Being outside together and just getting our hands dirty and getting some good work done is so therapeutic, and this was really a pretty day to be outside. It was a little on the warm side, but we had a nice breeze and we really enjoyed being out here and doing this together. So I think I'll start this home tour with just showing you guys the outside view of the house from the front, and then we'll go ahead and work our way inside. This house was built in 1968, and Chad's been here about 2 years. In that time, he's been able to do a lot of work on this house, interior and exterior, and he's done some really nice landscaping and begun some of these gardens. There's also some pretty mature trees and just a lot of beautiful things out here. It's a really pretty neighborhood. We've been going on walks in the evening, and it's just such a beautiful location. So as you first step into the house, you see here on the left is the entryway, and then there's a closet right here, coat closet. And then as you spin around, you will see the kitchen and the dining room. So it's a real open floor plan. It's very nicely laid out with plenty of space and lots of natural light, which I love. Down this hall are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and then a door down to the basement. There's a full basement, and then the next door is a laundry room. This area right here is open right now, but I think it would make a really nice seating area. So here is the dining area, and I think this room is so pretty. I absolutely love the solid wood farmhouse table and the black ladder-back chairs. So pretty with the contrast. Beautiful modern farmhouse or European farmhouse style. This flower arrangement in the middle I just think is so pretty, and Chad's late wife was just such a beautiful decorator. And I'm always amazed at her decorating ability and just the way the house is so put together, but also so minimal. And I just think she did such a beautiful job, and this house really is a tribute to her beautiful design style. And as we head into the kitchen, I was greeted by my little buddy here, Titus. He is so cute and he's just such a lovable guy. He's coming over for some love and he is going to escort us over to the kitchen. So here is the kitchen. I just think it is so pretty. This is one of my favorite spaces in the house. This big window looking over the back gardens is just perfect. So much beautiful natural light coming in here. And I just love the neutral nature of the kitchen. And then these beautiful shelves with more decor and just kitchenware. I just think this area is so beautiful. One of my favorite things to do when I'm visiting here is to just watch the birds on the bird feeders. So we have 2 hummingbird feeders right here, and then he has this other little birdhouse that attracts a lot of woodpeckers and sparrows and things like that. But it's so fun to just stand here and bird watch. And moving along out of the kitchen, we step into the living room. So here's Titus again, just relaxing. This is just a nice overview of the living room. If you have any questions about where anything is from, or like the furniture or the rugs or anything, just leave it in the comments and I can go ahead and ask Chad about where they might have come from. So just feel free to ask if you're curious. So heading toward the left of the living room is Chad's office. So he didn't know I was coming in here to do any filming, so he was practicing drums. And this is also his music room. So it's like a multi-purpose office, music room, and workout room. So that's over to the left. And then as we move over to the right, we are heading over to, this is his late wife's tribute table with her beautiful photo and some memorial things for her and some plants. And then moving over to the right is the back door leading out to the backyard. And then if you keep walking to the right, you'll come back to the kitchen. Heading through the kitchen, there's a little back, very small hallway right here. And if you go through this door, it's the master bedroom, and then the other door is the garage. So here is the master bedroom, and it's pretty simple right now. He does have just his furniture in here and his sauna. So I'll go ahead and show you those and give you a little quick walkthrough of the sauna as well, which I think is kind of a cool feature. This sauna also has the red light feature, the red light therapy, which I think is, you know, a good health benefit and something that's probably beneficial doing sometimes. So I think he enjoys it a little more in the winter time maybe, but this is the inside of the sauna, so that's nice to have. And then here is the master bathroom. I love the gold hardware in the bathroom. I think it's just really pretty against the countertops. And it's just a really pretty neutral bathroom, and I just think it goes well with the rest of the house. Okay, now we're heading into the side yard and backyard. So I wanted to show you guys some of the rose bushes that we planted. So these are the more mature bushes. I believe these are called knockout roses. And these are the more mature ones that he had previously planted. And he had a lot of space in between on this wall between rose bushes. So we planted some of these in between, and we planted pink and white. So now he'll have the darker pink reddish ones, and then the lighter pink, and then white as well. We kind of filled it out so that that wall will look more full. So we're real excited to see how they develop. Over here we have dahlias. So this is his favorite flower. So I think he's got 2 or 3 different colors over here of the dahlias, and they're just so happy and pretty. I really like them. So, and I like that they have their own spot. Next over here on the wall is a butterfly bush, and this one smells so good. And then moving down along here, there's several purple coneflower plants, and these are also so cute, and they seem to be doing really well in this spot. So here's just a kind of panning view of the backyard and just what it currently looks like. And he's got lots more projects that we'll be working on. A garden is always evolving, so plenty to do here in the summer and moving into the fall. But I want to say thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate you so much. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.